Alright, so now you've uploaded everything to YouTube and you're wondering how am I going to package this, because there's a lot of stuff as you can see on my page when you pull up my YouTube channel. So what I'd like to do is, when you're on YouTube, make sure you're logged in. For me, I'm logged into my school Gmail account. I like to usually kind of click on this little camera and press upload video. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring me to essentially my page. Now I'm not going to upload anything. This is just so that I can kind of be in my YouTube channel. Alright, so that's where we're going to go right now. Do bear with me so now that it's loaded, you can see I have my home page. I have a couple videos that I've already uploaded. What I can do is I want to just show you how I can compile everything into an order. I do have playlists that I've created for each of the classes that I'm currently teaching. So Geometry B and Algebra 1A and of course Math 180. I've kind of included all these playlists so that students can kind of navigate to where that would be. What I'll do is, let's say for example this video, I want to go to videos. So let's say for example I want to put this video in a playlist. I would kind of hover over that particular video. There's 3 dots I would click on and it'll give me some options. I can save to watch later and I can add to playlist. So I'll click on that and this is what will appear. I can also create a new playlist, as you can see here. And what that will do is that it'll essentially add it to a newly created playlist. I don't want to do that, but that's just one way how you can kind of organize all your videos into playlists. That way your students can watch those in order. And you're like, how do you have them in order? So I'm going to click on playlists just so you can see that you can actually change the order. So if you upload them all in a random order, what you could do is you can view the full playlist and then essentially change the order. So as you can see here, let's say I don't want the intro sides to be in front. I can click and drag and switch it around. Oh no, wait, I actually do want them, so I can switch them back and forth. Or if I upload them out of order, I can put them in order. And that way students can kind of follow an order to how they should watch the videos. Because it would be pretty confusing if they were watching 10.2 fitting a linear model to data before watching any of the previous videos. So that's just how you can do that as well.